This is not a sponsored video. I have used not one, not two, not three. This is the fourth box with me, and this is not the fourth one. Actually, this is the sixth or seventh one. I have just dumped the other 2 or 3 that I used like 3-4 months back. So I'm gonna review this PBN Whey protein that's pretty like a decent price on Amazon and had a very good rating. So I thought to use it before I can review. So it's not like I'm just doing anything. So chocolate flavor is just like 30 pounds for 2.25 kilograms. That's approx 75 servings, and every serving is of 30 grams and will give you around 23 grams of protein. But the thing is, they have 2.3 grams of carbs in it per serving per 30 grams, and 1.7 is sugar, and they have 1.8 grams fat in it. So let me open. Yeah, you can see it, right? So it's I'm still using it. So I've been trying to transform my physique, and I'm using this protein as a part of my journey. Purpose for this protein is just to see before I can make this video and show it out to you guys about the quality and everything that it comes with. I want to use it myself and then probably say anything about this brand particularly. And I'm just paying my own through Amazon and I'm getting it. So impressed with the flavor, impressed with the taste, impressed with its digesting capabilities. It does not feel you bloated. It does not cause any stomach upset, any kind of stomach issues. I'm very happy with the product. It's not hard on the bank, and it's not something that you have to think about it, right? It's just 30 pounds for 2.27 kgs, 2.25. Oh, 2.27 it is. Yeah, so I think it's a very good deal. You'll get somewhere around 30 for chocolate flavor, and another flavors like they have got strawberry and vanilla as well, and I think few other banana flavors as well, and few other flavors. Those flavors will cost you around 35 pounds. But I'm bigger fan of chocolate, so I love chocolate flavor. It says like food supplement with sweetener. So when I read the ingredient list, so they say that they have concentrate and they have isolate, whey protein concentrate and isolate, and they have flavoring substances, thickener like cellulose gum and sucralose as a sweetener. The point to be noted here is that they have added sucralose as a sweetener, which is a cheap form of sweetener, and it's not good for your health. That's why they have mentioned here food supplement with sweetener. So if you don't wanna spend too much, you can have this. But if you are really worried about your health, about your gut, about your future old age life, so I would say you should buy a best version. You should go for an expensive product, but still it does not have sucralose. They haven't mentioned how much sweetener they have, like sucralose they have added in per gram serving, but when I taste it, it doesn't feel like it's very sweet. So I would have a thought like it's very minimal amount of sweetener they have added. So I think it's okay to use for a while, but you can try it, you can change it after some time, and you can always like do some sort of experiments with your food, with your protein. This is a supplement, this is not actual food. You should not supposed to be thinking protein as some magical weapon, It's not gonna work like that, but eventually, if it's fueling your workout, then you should do. And if you have a limited amount of protein sources available to them, then you can add one of them and enjoy your workout. Hope these videos give you some insight about this, and I would say that this is a product to try out. And if you like it, you enjoy it, just make sure to follow and subscribe. Thank you so much.